Today I will be showing you the Copy and Paste Attribute tool in ArcGIS Pro. This tool is a great way to copy attribute information from one feature and paste it into another. Now my project has two layers, Poles Copy and Poles Paste. Poles Copy is symbolized as a circle with a half white crescent, as well as Poles Paste being a red circle. This way, you can tell that there are two overlapping points on my map. Now, I'm going to select all of the points on my map. On the right side in my attribute pane, you can see that I've selected 6 items, 3 from the Poles Copy layer and 3 from the Poles Paste layer. Now I want to take the information from Pole Copy item 1, which you can see here is filled out, and copy it and paste it into Pole Paste item 1. And you can see in here, this information is not filled out. So what I'm going to do is select Poles Copy item 1, right click, and then left click on Copy Attributes. Now, left click, Pole Paste. I'm going to verify that this is the item I want to paste into. I can look at either the station number, or the object ID, or make sure that they are overlapping each other. I can make sure that they're overlapping by deselecting every other item that is selected. You can do this by right-clicking on it, then clicking Unselect. Now I can use this as a visual check to make sure the items selected are the ones that I want to use. Now, I'll right-click in Pole Paste, and then select Paste Attributes by left-clicking. Instantly, you can see that its attributes have changed and have been copied and pasted from Pole Copy into Pole Paste.